Hey guys, what is up? All right, so I'm at a VanLife meetup in San Diego right now, and I am with my neighbors because my van is right there, and these guys just so happenly parked next to me and think.
So lucky.
So I'm lucky that they did. They had snacks.
I'm lucky.
They had snacks out here. She's been making fun of me all day about the amount of shoes that I have. I'm gonna show you their rig right now. You can see it behind me. My goodness, man, this is a fantastic job. So let's get going with it. You guys have a what year ProMaster?
This is a 2018.
Oh, it's a new one.
It's a brand new. We bought it in May
Okay.
after selling a VW bus, Synchro.
Okay, you got a VW
upgraded.
bus. Nice.
Yeah.
And you travel in this full time, part time?
It's part-time.
Part time.
Part-time.
And you guys are retired now.
That's correct.
How do you like the life?
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Oh my
To
God.
not like.
Yeah.
What's not to like? She says.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you guys? What's one of your favorite places you guys have been going to?
Probably Scorpion Bay in Mexico, San Juanico.
And you drove down here from where we are in now, San Diego.
Right.
Okay.
It's a surfing spot about 1,000 miles from where we live.
Wait a minute. Are you a surfer?
Yes.
Wow. Are you a surfer? Wow. I got a couple surfers here that I can't even surf, and they're just showing me up here left and right.
Surfing grandma.
Surfing grandma. That's an Instagram handle. If you don't have an Instagram, that is
Surfing great grandma.
surfing great grandmother. Are you really?
Great grandma.
These two, they have so much life in them. I'm so happy. It's amazing. It is amazing. So, you designed and built it yourself?
We did.
Wow, really? I
Yes.
mean, it's
Yeah, no,
amazing.
I'm
You guys, yeah. So how long did it take?
About
Off
8
and on.
weeks altogether.
Yeah.
8 weeks? 8 weeks? People my age can't even do that in 8 weeks. You guys are amazing. Are you kidding me? So 8 weeks, designed, built it, and now you use it as a travel vehicle. Enjoy the lovely weather we've got here today, and
Surfing, hiking, and biking.
surfing,
and
hike-
golfing.
and wow.
So we have room for all those sports in here.
Oh, and it's a 159-inch wheelbase, right?
Correct.
Okay, 2018. This is a brand spanking new. No wonder why I look better than mine. You want to show me anything inside?
Well, so this is where the boards hang, surfboards hang here. We can get 3 boards in here. And
are surfers.
in the back, it goes 2 bikes.
Oh, really?
And we have a place where the golf clubs go and some other storage.
I'm going to show the back. Don't you worry about that.
There's a little closet here with a nice little antique mirror.
Where's that? There, I actually like that. That's cute. Where all your shoes go? Because I know, I'm not the only one that carries shoes around.
I'm also a shoe hoarder. I have 3 pair of red high heels.
There you go.
And the stove, I think the only thing that we would do different maybe is put a bigger refrigerator in.
Okay. Is it it's not big enough for you?
Yeah, I like to cook a lot, so
That's not a girl. She's a keeper.
I took this picture
Oh, you did?
I like doing dishes a lot.
Where'd you take that picture?
on the beach in Maui.
Really? That is beautiful.
Thank you.
That's right. She did say that she was the photographer of the two.
Yes.
Yeah, unbelievable.
I carry my own photographer.
There you go.
So all the drawers are the glide clothes,
There it is.
and
The water.
the water's
You have
down
a water
here.
tank under here?
And we have a
2
couple
6
bottles down here. And
That's all you
there's-
need.
This is the sink comes in and out. We put it on Velcro so that we didn't lose the space from the drawer,
Genius.
and have an electric hand pump here that's getting put in this week sometime.
Okay.
All of the
Everything is, look at that. They all lock in place. They're all soft close.
all of the lights are on dimmer switches.
Oh, look at that.
Set the mood, baby.
We got a couple friends behind us, guys. We got a couple dogs just hanging out. I just have to show the dogs real quick.
It's getting the latest news.
Oh, that's what it is. And we sleep this way across the bed,
Correct.
which obviously I am a fan of
Safe
because I do the
space.
same thing. We're short enough to do this
And have a couple nice storage drawers down here.
for more clothes and whatnot.
Nope.
Oh, it's just everyday stuff.
Kitchen stuff.
This is awesome.
Dudley's going to show you the back.
Dudley, let's go.
All right.
They have an awning that comes out. It's so key to have an awning, Dudley. Look at this back.
So we have a storage for the bikes.
Okay.
This is just rinse water when we're for dishes. We do dishes outside. Golf clubs, carpet, miscellaneous stuff goes inside here.
Dudley, we're gonna have to go golfing next time I'm down in San Diego.
Yeah, we'll give you our phone number.
There you go.
And then we've got side-out drawer.
That's a huge fully extension guide.
And this is bad. This cooler is a great Coleman cooler. It's
Okay.
a great cooler. It's as good as the Yeti, if you ask me, for $30, but you can't hold it up.
Oh.
So what do? You make one of these.
We call that a Dudley hack.
And wood.
And wood. There's plenty of storage back here. And you even added these on the back to hold a small, like an outside camper stove.
Yep.
That's
Stove.
there you go.
And a 2x4.
That's actually genius. I was actually wondering how I wanted
Table?
that same table. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
And the barbecue grill.
Unbelievable. You guys have an amazing build.
These are clothing.
Okay. All in the back there.
Yep. And this is where we keep our books and games.
And do you have a shop at the house? How did you guys do all this build?
I borrowed Christie's brother's tools. And then
Nice.
that was getting kind of I had to go buy them.
You were becoming a nuisance.
Yeah.
Those windows, by the way, I have already commented on. I love these windows that you guys had installed. They're all sliding, I believe, right?
Yep. Sliding. They don't get in the way of the doors or anything.
Right. I mean, they're so cool, and they're so well done, and they're made for the ProMaster. It's so well done.
Right.
And
The
Dudley
company-
framed them out so beautifully.
They are beautifully framed out, right? Is that all your decisions?
No. That's him.
Yeah, it's your design, though. I know it.
And this motion windows. Out of
Oh,
Vancouver. Okay,
I'll
motion
throw
windows.
I'll throw them a bone.
Yeah.
Motion. They're about to get free publicity. Really nice guys.
Well, thank you, Jarrod.
Thank you to these two amazing humans right now.
Old people.
Not at all. Not at all. You're living the younger life than most others my age. Trust me. Dudley and Christi, I can't say enough good things about them. You guys want to? You guys have no company. You guys are retired. You guys are living the good life. I was gonna plug a company, but you guys.
Nope.
Smith Brothers Maui, Hawaii.
Hawaii. Cool. That works. I'm cool with that. There you go. We'll do that.
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi to maybe your grandkids?
Hi, Odin. Hi, Asta.
There it
Hi,
is.
Sarah. Hi, Tober.
Oh, that was sweet of them. All right, guys. See you guys next time.
Bye.